Hey guys, it's Brian with JMP Cycles, and in front of me I have the Shoei X14 full face helmet. Now this is a premium performance helmet, and to be fully transparent, I've been wearing an X series for over the last 10 years, whether it be on the racetrack or on the road. Starting with the vents, we have a large intake on the chin bar, which is closable, on the brow and on the top of the head, so you get a ton of air and they flow very well. The big feature that's noticeable on this helmet is the aerodynamics, and you can immediately see that on the large spoiler on the back. Aerodynamically, this thing is super sound. When you get this helmet, you'll see that that shield has some funky knobs on it, and that is for both the pinlock and tear-offs. Now, tear-offs are those thin laminate sheets that you can rip right off if you get some bugs or dirt on it so that you can see clear. This helmet does come with that clear pinlock insert. If you don't know what Pinlock is, it creates a dual pane setup to where your visor becomes fog free. And you can update that with different colored inserts. You can also get the same Pinlock shields from Shoei in different colors, including transitional. When you head into the inside of this helmet, you'll see the liner is a 3D injection molded design that is built for comfort, removable, and it's adjustable. That allows you to actually change the tilt of the helmet and how it sits on your head, a new feature that you don't see in many other brands. That liner is removable, so if you need to take it out and wash it, or maybe just change out some sizing, you're able to do so. Now, Shoei does have their two-piece EPS liner in this helmet. That is that foam interior that absorbs the energy upon an impact. And being that it's two pieces, it does two things for you. One, it is a dual density design and it can absorb more energy because of that. And two, because it creates a channel allowing air to flow through, creating better ventilation. Flip this helmet upside down, you'll see those red emergency release tabs. Those tabs are meant for being able to quickly remove padding of the helmet in case of an emergency situation. Now, if you're intrigued by this helmet and would like to see more, head on over to jmpcycles.com. Check out some of our other videos where we show you how to measure your head to ensure you get the right fit. Make sure you look at the size chart to know what you're ordering. And if you'd like to see more videos where we do product installs and gear reviews, hit us up on social media, subscribe to us on YouTube, and together we'll help you find what's next.